Hi everyone, I'm John, and I'm here today to show you how to pump up your Atoll paddleboard. We recently redesigned our backpack to make it more durable and a little bit more comfortable on those long hikes in. We've added some extra padding on the shoulder straps, along with on the bottom for the hip straps. Set up your paddle. First align the press in button with the hole. Slide in together until it pops open. To adjust the paddle length, simply open the quick latch, pull the upper section out to your desired length, and close the quick latch. To start inflating, we first need to undo the cap. Once we've opened it, we can depress the nub right here and turn as you depress it. When it's lower, that's in the unlocked position. When it's up, that's in the locked position. When you're ready to start inflating the paddleboard, make sure to insert the cap to put the pump into high capacity mode. Once you've reached a higher pressure inside of the paddleboard, remove the cap to put the pump into high pressure mode. Make sure the nub is actually in the locked position. By keeping the nub in the locked position, it allows you to capture your progress as you're pumping along. To assemble the fin, place a square nut into the groove and slide into the correct placement. Insert the fin into the groove and screw the fin into the square nut. Now that we've got everything pumped up, it's time to go paddle. To disassemble your board, first take off the fin and then take the square nut out with a screw. Turn the nub into the unlock position to release the air out of the board. When you're ready to pack up the paddleboard, make sure the nub is in the unlocked position. This will ensure that as you're rolling the paddleboard up, the excess air can escape from the paddleboard. Once you get to the end, go ahead and lock the valve, place the cover on it, and place in the bag. Now you have your board ready to go.